So let me jump back over to the desktop app. You'll notice that there's an iPad and desktop. Two very clear distinctions. Okay, one is mobile, one is with a laptop. Okay. Now if I come down here, I have the option to do clashes. If I click on Clash, it brings up this dialog here. I can create a new report, and it's very similar to those who have used Navisworks in the past, but I would basically choose a category or model. Okay. I can come in here and say, okay, I want to select all the ceilings. Let's use an example. Let's do, I can choose ceilings and, let's say, flex duct. Okay, just an example. Okay, and I would actually name my clash report. So this is going to be just called test. At this time, I'm going to go through, run the report, okay, and it gives me a total of 61 active or open clashes on this project. It will highlight based on the actual little nodes next to each clash per the report. Now, at any point as I go through here, so if I want to look at clash 61, okay, let's just an example. It's a little easier on two screens. With BIM 360 on the desktop app, you can dock these in different locations, but for the seminar, I'm going to leave these all on one screen. If I see a clash that I know that I'm not responsible, but someone else is, or I would really like to notify someone of a change or something that does not look right in the model, I also have the ability to notify, okay, based on that one clash. Okay, I can also create a markup based on that clash, okay, or I can add a comment. Okay, now remember, everything is all user-based, so everybody has their own unique user ID. So that name will be assigned when you comment or notify or markup. Okay. If I go back to my results, I can actually see, let me just stretch this out for you guys, just so you can actually see this. So within here, I can see the different clashes that were actually being done. So I have 1,000 here, 97 here, 9 here. And each one, you know, it gives me a total number, but if I click in it, it'll actually display which ones have been ignored, which ones have been closed or resolved. Okay. Now again, with BIM 360 being a cloud-based platform, I can pull data from BIM 360 into other products. For example, Navisworks. So I actually have an example over here. So I have Navisworks open here, and I have a BIM 360 tab here. When I select it, I can choose, okay, well, what file do I actually want to load? Okay, now if I go here, I'm going to go ahead and click Example Project. I can choose to either open individual files, architecture or NP, or choose the merge file. Now again, it's pulling it from one centralized location, so I don't have to worry about cleaning up a file up or make sure it's in the right location, because it's all being done in Glue. We want to make sure everything is being posted to Glue, and then everything trickles down from there. Okay. So if I click on Merge Model, click on Open, and it'll go through the opening process. Now what it's going to do is it's basically pulling down the information from Glue. Now right now, this is actually a live Glue file, technically. Okay, so if I go to, let's say, Save As, it's going to bring me the BIM 360 Save As screen. If I want to, I can create a save locally as a Navisworks file. Now a lot of people ask, okay, well if I save this as a Navisworks file, is it disconnected from BIM 360? That is not the case. Okay, if I save this locally on my desktop or my documents or wherever it may be, when I save that, and if I have constant internet access, if I save this locally, you can still append different models from BIM 360. So there's this example here says adds BIM 360 models to current scene. Now if I hit refresh here, refresh is going to basically go up to BIM 360, look for any model updates that have been updated. Has the architect updated their model? Has the MEP consultant updated their model? If it has, it's going to pull all that current information down, and I don't even have to do append. Okay. Now with BIM 360, and Navisworks, I can also see the shared views that have been created within BIM 360. Okay, so within BIM 360, if I create shared views, I can also see them within Navisworks. Okay. Now, if I choose to, I can actually rotate around, look at here, and I can say, okay, I want to share, save a new shared view. So we're going to call this test view. Okay. Hit save, and then what it's going to do is it's going to call it test view. Now, as an example, what I'm going to go through, and I'll show you the example. So let me just synchronize this information. Refresh. Okay. And go over to my BIM 360 app. There we go. And if I go over to views, let's refresh this. I will now have a test view in here from Navisworks. So it's showing the connectivity between one BIM tool and a cloud-based BIM tool. Okay. Now there's different functionalities within Glue, the Glue app. So if I go to the actual Glue app, when I'm in multiple projects, I can actually download this locally. Some people may actually see an icon that actually shows a little cloud with an arrow. Okay, this is basically telling me that I can download this model locally on the iPad, so I don't have to worry about Wi-Fi access. So let's say if I'm going out to a construction site that does not have Wi-Fi, but I still want to have access to my model. All I would do is just tap on the model. It'll automatically download it to the iPad, and I can always have access to that current model as I downloaded it at that point. Okay. Now once I connect to Wi-Fi, okay, it'll automatically sync and go look for the most recent changes. Biggest thing to take away is that I always have access in one centralized location to these BIM information, okay, through BIM 360.
I think the last thing that we want to do is we want to talk to you a little bit about our construction services. Not only do we offer, of course, BIM 360 from a product perspective, but we also help you in the ability to increase your BIM efficiencies as far as incorporating BIM processes in your organization. We have services from scan to build to BIM, of course, in helping you create models, creating as-built or existing condition models. We help you with MEP coordination. We also help you with facilities management models for requirements, LOC, actually 300, 400, and 500. We can help you with asset management. And we also can help you with 4D modeling. So if you have any interest in any of those, we at the end of this particular webinar, we will be able to give you contact information. So not only do we help you from a product perspective, but we can also help you services in performing and becoming as efficient as possible as it pertains to the involvement of BIM within your projects and your organization.